Hello and welcome to Learning Excel 2013. My name is Mike Henry and this is the 9th video from Tutorial 8. In this video we are going to take the VLOOKUP that we've been working with all along and we are going to turn it sideways, and now we are going to be playing with an HLOOKUP. So we have one last column to fill in here, and that's called our dental plan. And to do our dental plan, it's exactly like how we figured out our medical plan cost. Basically, instead of going to the medical plan, we're going to go over here to the dental plan. Now here's where things are going to differ. We're going to take our dental plan and we're going to bring it over to our lookup table. And when we go to our lookup table, you're going to see here that things look a little bit different. You're going to see that when I highlight this area here, that's going to be called dental rates. Now the difference is down here the medical plans went vertically, and then you returned a column number which was over here. Here what you're going to see is we're going to go horizontally across, and then when we get to where we want to go, we're going to go down a row or down to row 2. So this is going to be an H lookup versus a V lookup. So remember dental plan right here, and we'll come back to our formula here. And I'm going to put in here my equal, and I'm going to start with an H lookup. So you can see I do HL, I get my H lookup, and I hit tab. Now the same four components with a VLOOKUP are here. So the first thing is, what am I looking up? And I put in here my field called dental plan because I'm looking up the dental plan, and I close that out. Where I'm looking it up is a place called dental plan rates. I type in DEN, I see my dental plan rates, I hit tab. Now instead of going from a column, we're going to a row, and we're going to go down one row to row number 2. And then the last thing is this a true or false? And in this case we're looking for an exact match, so we're going to pick our false, and we go ahead and close that out. You can see that gives us all of our dental plan rates. So an EMP is going to give me $55, and looks like an employee spouse is $65, and we can see right there an employee spouse is $65. So the last thing I need to do to make this work is just put a times 12 at the end of this. I'm going to put a times 12 right there, and I put times 12, and now you can see I've got my yearly costs in. So in this video we learned about the HLOOKUP. Basically we see that the table is going to work away crosswise from left to right versus the VLOOKUP where it works from top to bottom. Everything else stays the same. We are going to come down the number of rows versus in the VLOOKUP we go sideways the number of columns. We deal with both the true and false, or the exact match, approximate match, still works the same way. The only difference is the orientation of the table.